another video. Hey, it's your boy, man, Loukang from LouKangKickx. Alright, and we back with another review, another unboxing. I guess it's still an unboxing because I'm gonna take these out the box. Look, before we get into today's video, alright, I just need y'all to do me one favor. One time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy. Alright? Y'all, we are almost at 300 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Alright? I really, really do. Words can't express how much I appreciate y'all. Alright, so if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you know what I'm saying? Hit that button for your boy. And if it's not, welcome back. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this. Today, what do we have for y'all? Air Jordan Retro 6 Carmines. Yes, sir. Yes, we do. Got them on deck right there. All right. Let's read it. You know how we do up over here. All right. Style number CT8529, color code 106. All right. Now, y'all, these released on February 23rd, last month. You know what I'm saying? 2021. I don't know what happened with these. All right. A lot of confusion over like the midsole being pink. Man, you know, that was like 2 weeks later. I think Nike actually had to send them back to the stores that they sent them to. Some people was in line grabbing the pink ones. I don't know, man. What's going on up over there? We've been having some crazy releases. All right, shoes been getting sent back. Releases been being delayed. But here we go. All right, got them right here for y'all. Damn, get that other one out. Ooh, don't know how we do with the box. Toss the box on them. Damn, there we go. All right. These right here are special, all right? Jordan actually did hoop in these. Number 6 Jordan that he ever came out with, all right? Just a beautiful shoe. I mean, like, you know, all together, beautiful shoe, all right? Let's get into it. So, we got the lace locks on here, okay? Lace locks. You can lock your shoe down while you hooping, doing whatever you're doing. You can style it lots of different ways, all right? Perforated ankle pads here. You know what I mean? Keep your foot breathing. We got a lot of perforated holes here, okay? So, now we got some suede. Kind of feels a little bit like Nubuck. Feels good, though. Quality is great. Leather is buttery, all right? Any shoe that come out that got the Nike Air on it is going to be special. All right, any number of Jordan, any number of Retro, whenever they do that, just know that that's special. All right. So we got a pull tab on the back right here. All right. I always let a tongue on the 6s. Always have. You know what I mean? I always just thought it was unique. All right. Clear bottoms on it. Y'all can see that. Get them close with y'all. We got a jump man on the bottom. You know. Air technology system right here on the heel. I mean, just a great quality shoe, man. I mean, if y'all don't like 6s, I don't know. You know what I mean? What I want to do right now, I want to get these things open. You know what I mean? They be choking the shoes. Bobby from Sneaker World, Bobby Sneaker World. Shout out Bobby Sneaker World, man. Shout out everybody who's supporting me too. You know, your boy Alias.
Y'all see the Loukang merch, man? Y'all see the Loukang merch, man? Go shop with them, go rock with them, go cop with them. That's the bro, that's the fam. Y'all already know just like that, man. Y'all know what it is, man. You feel me? Go to the shop with a real one. Go to kick it with my family. You already know what it is, just like that. Shouts out, salute to the bro. You already know, man. Shouts out, salute to the whole squad.
Everybody who is supporting me, all right? DJ Dales.
Boom! What's good?
What's good? What's good is my dude Jesse. What's good too is Loukang up in here. I think it's the first time I've seen Loukang on my show.
Hey man, good
What's
looking
up,
on
man?
the pull up, man. You told me to pull up on a Friday, but I'm on the West Coast. I think you on the East Coast. So
Yeah, so that's like 4. I know it's weird for you because it's like early afternoon.
Yeah, exactly, man. Thank you for having me, man. Salute to you.
Nah, man, I like your energy. You're always welcome here, man.
I'm wondering. I'm like, man, maybe we could get some kicks now. Maybe
Dude,
it's not gonna be so impossible.
I mean, his judgment was all wrong. Look at this guy, the postman. He'll finally cop one of the biggest grails today. UPS approves.
This dude,
I mean, I'm
man.
sure people are saying is his house.
Oh my God. I didn't even see that picture right there. That is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Come on now. Yeah, we should be able to get some more pairs here. It should be a little bit easier. If not, you know, a little, like, look at that right. It wraps around the house.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, you know, so if this is at his house, if we could figure out if this is at his house, then I really think it's safe to say Mom Dukes knew something, right? If he's like, living with his mom, right?
It's like, what is that? That's like a sneaker fence. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like
I don't even know if some sneaker stores have this many pieces.
Like it's like a whole backyard fence right there. You could keep a dog from getting outside of that.
Everybody, let's get these things open, man. Damn, they do be choking the shoe. That's no lie. Let's get these things open. We can kind of, you know what I'm saying, get inside of there. I like to get inside the shoe a little bit sometimes. You know what I mean? Ooh, 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 ooh. Man, ooh. Man, it's rough. What a task, you know what I'm saying? What a task, what a task. What a task. A lot of people don't know that it's a button right there on the sixes where you can kind of, you know what I'm saying, undo that, get them a little lace. Like I said, these shoes, I like the sixes because you can style them. You know what I mean? You can do lots of different things with them. Leave this open. You can rock this open, leave them open. Lots of different things that you could do with the shoe. All in all, a great shoe, all right? There's a lot of controversy over these with like the midsole being pink. I don't know about that, all right? I know that I got hit on mine late. They hit me at the store and was like, hey, come down and pick up your raffle. And it was like a week late. You know what I'm saying? I actually just picked these up not too long ago. So, I don't know. I mean, great pickup. Solid pickup. All right. Very, very solid. I did end up with two of these. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one yet. You know, somebody tap in if need be. You know what I'm saying? And we'll figure that out later. All right. Damn. Look at that. Just a dope shoe. Dope shoe. Carmines. You know what I'm saying? Any shoe that Jordan originally hooped in is a good pickup to have if you're a collector, if you're just getting into J's, if you're getting into reselling. Anything that he originally played in is a great pickup. That's a great place to start. All right? There we go. Right there. I'm also going to show y'all something else too. All right? It's just a little another pickup. Picked up a little ice cream mug. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do a little unboxing on that today. All right? Let's get this open. Y'all, I feel like I done graduated from BBC and moved on to ice cream. All right? I am an ice cream fan. So there we go. Little look at the mug right there. Hard. Nice box. Everything. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of getting into the little collectibles. You know what I mean? Might change up the display a little bit for y'all. Give y'all something new. All right? Yo. Until next time, until next video, until next drop, all right? I'm going to see y'all. I'm out.